You often have a glass of water when you are thirsty or after a meal or when you eat something spicy. But did you know that drinking water on an empty stomach is beneficial? 70% of your body is made of water and the benefits are plenty. Water is essential for the normal and smooth functioning of all the organs in your body. Water is indeed the best drink that can quench your thirst, and drinking it on empty stomach can cure some problems in your body. Why drinking water is so important. Suppose you have been dehydrated for a long period. In that case, it can lead to several health problems like rheumatoid arthritis, migraines, angina, colitis, dyspepsia, hypertension, obesity, hemorrhoids, breast cancer, pulmonary tuberculosis, kidney stones, sinusitis, and worst is uterine cancer. Therefore, you need to get it through foods, and especially drinks, to ensure proper bodily function. All organs and tissues depend on water, and it plays numerous roles in your body, including nutrient transportation. Water allows blood circulation, which transports nutrients to your cells and removes waste from them. Thermoregulation. Due to water's large heat capacity, it limits changes in body temperature in both warm and cold environments. Body lubrication. Water helps lubricate joints and is an essential element of your body's lubricating fluids, including saliva and gastric, intestinal, respiratory, and urinary mucus. Shock absorbency. Water acts as a shock absorber, protecting your organs and tissues by helping maintain cellular shape. Water possesses certain properties to improve your health. Here are the various benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach. It speeds up metabolism. If you are on a diet, drinking water on an empty stomach can give your diet a boost, as it can help raise the metabolic rate by almost 25%. Speeding up the metabolism helps in faster digestion of food, and this helps in losing weight in the long run. It is always preferred to drink at least 4 liters of water per day for best result. It boosts your immunity. Drinking plenty of water flushes out all the toxins and prevents infections from spreading through the body. This ultimately strengthens the immune system and keeps the body away from various kinds of infections. It clears your bowels. Drinking water on an empty stomach can assist in regulating the digestive tract. And when you drink a lot of water, you feel the urge to flush out your bowels. Practicing this daily can help in regular bowel movement and also contributes to getting rid of waste from your body regularly. It also helps in expelling toxins from the body. Drinking water helps in flushing out all the toxins from the body. It helps in detoxifying yourself. It eliminates all the toxins from the body and cleanses the system. Elimination of toxins improves the quality of the skin and brings a glow on the face. It prevents migraine attacks. One of the primary reasons people suffer from frequent headaches and migraine attacks is due to lack of water in the body. Dehydration is the root cause of headaches, and drinking water at frequent intervals, especially on an empty stomach, can help get rid of headaches naturally. Not only this, drinking sufficient water also helps in keeping oral or dental problems at bay. It helps in weight loss. Water has no calories, and so drinking plenty of water when on diet is essential, as it helps in losing weight. It also flushes out all the toxins and reduces acidity. As water increases metabolism, your body also tends to burn calories faster. This is one of the best strategies to reduce weight. Improves your skin. Dehydration causes a number of problems, of which skin problem is one. Dehydration causes premature wrinkles and makes the skin porous. Drinking water on an empty stomach regulates blood flow and improves the quality of the skin. It also helps in releasing toxins from the body and makes the skin radiant. It helps in boosting energy. If you feel sleepy or sluggish, drinking water on an empty stomach can make you feel active instantly. It stimulates the red blood cells to grow faster, which results in more oxygen and energy. Promotes healthy hair. Drinking plenty of water also promotes healthy and shiny hair. Water makes up to 1/4 of the hair, and therefore insufficient intake of water can make the hair strand brittle and weak. Regular intake of water improves and enhances the quality of hair. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps fuel your brain. Our brain is made up of over 70% water, and continuing to hydrate helps maintain optimal brain activity. When you're not adequately hydrated, your brain operates on less fuel, and you can feel drained or even experience fatigue or mood fluctuations. It can also further leads to significant reductions in memory and brain performance. Did you know the secret of Japanese women in their flawless porcelain skin and slim, toned figures? Many attest that the Japanese have this kind of ritual in drinking water on an empty stomach immediately after waking up every morning. The Japanese were the first to introduce water therapy to the world, and they follow it religiously. They drink water immediately after waking up, and this therapy has been backed by various studies as well. Here is a proper tutorial on how you can follow the water therapy. As soon as you wake up in the morning, drink a liter of water before brushing. If you're a newbie, you can start with a smaller quantity. After drinking water, you can clean and brush your teeth. Avoid eating or drinking anything for around 45 minutes. After this, you can have your breakfast. After your regular meals, do not drink anything for 2 hours. Then, drink a liter of water again. This helps you keep many diseases at bay, and you can notice a new energy and freshness within a few days. The water therapy has the power to heal blood pressure, gastritis, constipation, and diabetes with no side effects at all. In a nutshell. Now you have a grasp of how to improve your morning routine healthily. Not only is this beneficial for your overall well-being, but this serves as your guide in your water consumption. Besides drinking 2 to 3 glasses as soon as you get up from sleep, make it a routine to drink plenty of water a day, regularly.